Actually, go ahead and stop right here and tie your shoe. We can go that way by that tree up the hill. We'll take photos, okay? What's up guys, welcome back to a brand new video. Today we're doing number 3. I'm here with Rogue and Rogue's baby Dasha. She named her Dasha. So this is what the video is about, an anime film simulation using my Fujifilm camera. Today's input is going to be an anime film simulation that I found on Jason Vong's YouTube channel. And I believe he found it while traveling, and he found it through a Chinese social media app, I believe. A Chinese app. I'll put the recipe up for you guys so you guys can follow it. I'm also using Jason Vong's pretty much his white balance recommendation of using the daylight. That's the white balance I'm using instead of the one that came with the recipe, but I'll put both in there. So let's just get going, and the next few frames are going to be some photos, and we'll keep showing you guys where we're walking and hanging out. Yeah. How about this bush? Right
oh! I missed it.
I think you need to throw up more. Oh, you got that rock. Oh, that's hard to get.
Oh, I hit that on the bush a little way.
Oh, I got the rock now. Okay, I'm gonna go like, look.
Wait, when I was filming it, I went over that tree.
Really?
Yeah.
That's far.
Oh
my God.
Tree.
It's hard to go over it.
It went over again.
Mine keeps blowing back this way. Okay, I finally got it.
You gotta put your hand right back.
Yeah, I think I'm getting the right one.
Oh!
Cool,
Mine went past that bush.
This first rock, one, and
oh! That was
the
big
second one, 2, then the next one.
I only have one more blue, baby.
Here. I'll put it right here in your skirt.
Oh!
Oh my gosh.
It went further. I keep saying you're gonna see it.
Oh yeah, if you guys don't know, Rogue is a lefty.
Oh, that one went past the tree again.
Maybe we should show them our view of us throwing.
Mom!
The rocks are trying to hit. I hit this 1, 2, 3, 4, then the bush.
All the way to 66.
All the way to the tree. So I'm going to try that again. You want to try it with me?
Try what?
This 1, 2, 3, 4 rocks and then the bush.
Yeah. Oh, I almost hit that one. By that
Did I
bush.
get it?
Oh!
Oh my gosh. 1, I got 1.
Oh, I hit that one
2.
by the bush.
Yeah. I keep throwing it over. 3, I got it. All right. Now 4.
Yeah, I got a big one. Oh!
Oh, I got 4.
Yes.
All right. Now the bush. Maybe I need to get 4.
Cuckoo.
Cuckoo.
Cuckoo likes being with us.
Ow! Don't bite my hand. No.
Mom!
Be good. Okay. Here's your turn,
Mom.
baby. Huh?
When I threw the rock, it bounced into another rock and then the other rock.
Okay.
Ooh, I almost got that.
Oh. I got 2 left. Excuse me, Fugu.
Yeah, I don't want to throw it at Cuckoo.
I don't want to throw it at Fugu. Fugu, you can't stand where we're throwing rocks. Fugu, come sit over here.
Oh, I almost threw it at Cuckoo. Ooh, I hit that.
Fugu
But I'm
thinks
going to throw these many at one time.
Okay, wait, don't hit Fugu though.
Okay, I know. Ooh, that went farther. I'm trying to still go over the...
That's far.
What I just said.
Oh, look at that big rock down there. See if we can hit it.
Oh, you went
God.
far. Oh, you went far. Oh, that's so far, Bob.
You scream loud. Cute though.
Mom, is this a rattlesnake bite?
Oh wow. No, it's just how it's shaped with that dirt in there. There's dirt in there that's carving it out. It looks like it.
Throw it?
Uh-huh. Throw it. So in here there's probably a whole bunch of fossils again, yeah? Because there's a lot of fossils here.
Remember I found one right by the door before?
Yeah.
It's like drawing on it. Kind of like drawing, but we put
I
it in
keep
the
throwing
shed.
to the right. Yeah.
I'm going to try standing, okay?
Alright.
Oh, you hit the tiny one right by it.
Just don't hit me, okay?
Oh, I hit the rock.
You did?
Yeah,
Good job.
it's like a little piece of it. Oh, that's so close. Oh, I hit it.
Good job. Should we keep walking? Or is this fun? You like this?
Yeah, we should keep on walking.
Alright.
Having so much.
We're having fun out here. We're just hanging out. We stop here and there. Rogue loves to throw rocks off of the hill.
Mine was sand,
Rogue?
Papa.
Rogue, just don't hit the camera, okay? Okay.
Because it's sand?
Because it's rocks, you're gonna break it.
No, it's sand. Look.
Okay, I'm throwing rocks. Ooh, don't throw it that way, okay? or throw it like this, but over, like way far. Yeah?
See?
All the airplanes. You see
I can't
there's
see.
another one?
Oh, right there. And I see another one right down there.
Yeah, there's one up here too.
I need.
I bet there's fossils right here somewhere. Just look, you'll see some right here.
Yeah. Almost hit the camera.
Ooh, don't hit the camera.
I'm just kidding. I went past it.
Okay.
Gotta sing a song that is in Navajo. It's Twinkle Twinkle Little Star in Navajo. I'm gonna sing it. I've been learning it at school. Song-e, song-e, da-da-na songs. Ha-a-di-sha in-in-te. Yate-sete sana-a. Se-a-li-ni na-holo. Song-e, song-e, da-da-na songs. Ha-a-di-sha in-in-te.
Wow, good job.
I know
I
how
like
to
it.
sing it.
Good job. I don't think I ever learned that one at school. Do you guys know the puppy song? Wayana. Yeah, that's the song I learned.
Wayana, Wayana, Eneyowa, Shikatani, Echishwoye,
Anagi bebe te shos, betana te stopse yikitas, akwiche, shike na glo, Wayana, Wayana, Eneyowa. Then you just keep repeating it, huh? That's a cool song.
Shikatani, Oye, Goye, Akwiche, Goye.
Tell them how you count in Vietnamese.
I forgot.
Mop,
Mop, hai,
ba,
ba,
boom,
boom,
num,
num, sao,
bai,
bai,
dum,
dum, now,
jin,
gin, moi.
moi. Good job.
Jim Moy.
Một hai, một ba, một eins, zwei, drei, vier, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That's German. And then
we counting
1,
by
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Oh, I learned that at school.
12, 13, 14, 15.
I know it.
16, 17, 18.
I know some of it.
Man, I used to count to 100 in Spanish too.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Good job.
1, 2, 3, 4. Is it 1, 2, 3, 4?
Uh-huh. Yep. I think you have a better Spanish accent than me. Lae.
Ta, lae,
Na ke.
na, ke.
Ta.
Ta, di, akshliga.
Ashkla.
Nizna,
Hasta.
hasta,
Sostin.
toastis.
Sebi.
Sebi,
Nahaste.
nahaste,
Nesna.
nizna.
The one where you put it on it and it stings very bad. It's gonna hurt, but it's gonna clean it so it doesn't get infected. Yeah. Since there's like a little bit of blood and it's open. I hope you guys are enjoying this video. I know it's like kind of harsh lighting. I'm gonna try to come back out during golden hour and we'll see if we can get Joni to walk with us.
Yeah.
Right now Joni's into doing her diary. She's just at home. Today's Saturday, by the way, so we're just hanging out at home this weekend. Joni likes staying. Usually when we go somewhere, she just hangs out with her great grandma, so she's there now. And I know she was drawing. I think she draws on the app Procreate. Then she does her little journal thing on GoodNotes 6. And if she's not doing that, she's probably playing Roblox or Minecraft. Probably Roblox. Oh yeah, Tokaboka. Never mind. She's actually probably playing Tokaboka because that's when she was playing. She was playing that when we left.
I also know I just know things that Joni is like doing in like the brain. I always sometimes know what is doing something in her brain.
Mm-hmm. Like what she's thinking?
Yeah.
You know what she's thinking?
Yeah, because remember the last time I said, Joni said, no, I don't want to eat, and you said, why? I said, because she wants to wait for the pizza, so she won't get food on it.
Oh yeah, and then Joni said, yeah, that's why, huh?
Yeah, I was like thinking in Joni's head, like reminding as a genie. Ooh, how about, can we watch Aladdin?
Aladdin? Like the live action or the cartoon?
What is the live action?
Like the real people or the cartoon one? Live
the
action.
Real people.
Okay, yeah, that's
like
live
the live
action.
action.
Yeah, that sounds cool. I like that. So some of my favorite cartoons as a kid, I think number one would be Rocket Power. Uh-oh. I wonder if that is Joni. Hi, Auntie.
Hi, what are you up to?
Just taking a walk with Rogue on the horse trail in the hills.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Nice. Is it nice and warm out there?
Yeah, it's pretty warm. We just have a little hoodie on for when the wind comes, but other than that, it's kind of warm.
Oh, okay. Yeah, it's warm over here too. It's 33 degrees.
Oh, dang. Well, it's hot over here then. It's 51 degrees.
And then there's snow out there still, but
Oh, cool.
Have it melted. They're saying that this is one of the warmest winter they ever had.
Yeah.
Hardly have any snow.
I think that's all of North America. And then Japan is having the coldest winter. Isn't that crazy?
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Yeah. Interesting, isn't it?
Yeah.
And then Florida had more snow than we did.
Really? That's crazy.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
We had a lot of raining ice though. Got to experience a raining ice.
Oh, okay.
It's raining coming down, but it's ice.
Yeah.
And then when it hits your face, you can really
Ow.
feel the.
Does it hurt?
It hurts when it hurts when it hits your face. So you just have to walk with your face down.
Dang.
The minute it touches the ground.
Yeah. All right, guys, we're gonna go head back. Rogue has a little cut on her finger. We need to get back and wash it and put a band-aid on it. But it was fun hanging out. This little short bit will be in the video. And I do want to get more footage of just us and using more of the film simulation for you guys. But yeah, we'll wait for the better light for golden hour.
I found these gems on the road.
I like them.
I could hold your hand because I'm holding my doll on the other side.